Hey everyone! Did you know that during winter, people are about 20% more likely to catch a cold? That's pretty wild, right? The good news is, what you eat can seriously impact your immune system. So, let's dive into how we can boost our immunity this winter with some delicious foods. Alright, let's talk about why boosting your immune system with winter foods is super important. When the temperatures drop, so does our immunity. With everything from colds to the flu going around, it's essential to make sure our bodies are ready to fight off those nasty bugs. Winter is the perfect time to focus on nutrition to keep us feeling our best. Now, here's the challenge: many of us struggle to keep our immune systems strong during the winter months. We tend to eat heavier, comfort foods that might not provide all the vitamins and minerals we need. Plus, the lack of sunlight can lead to lower vitamin D levels, which is crucial for immune health. So, how do we combat this? Let's explore some winter foods that pack a serious immune-boosting punch. First up, we have citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C, which is known to increase the production of white blood cells. These are your body's defenders against infections. You can easily add citrus to your breakfast or even make a refreshing winter salad. Next on the list is garlic. This little bulb is not just for flavor, it's a powerhouse for your immune system. Garlic contains compounds that can boost your immune response. Toss it into soups, stews, or even roast it for a tasty treat. Moving on, let's talk about ginger. This spicy root is great for fighting inflammation and has antiviral properties, making it a must-have in the winter. You can brew it in tea, add it to stir-fries, or use it in smoothies. Then, we have spinach, which is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C. You can throw it into salads, smoothies, or sauté it as a side dish. Finally, don't forget about yogurt. Probiotics in yogurt help strengthen your gut health, which is crucial for a strong immune system. Enjoy it as a snack or blend it into smoothies. Now, if I had to choose just one food that stands out for immune health, it's definitely garlic. I remember a winter a few years ago, I was feeling under the weather, and I started adding raw garlic to my meals. Not only did it help me bounce back faster, but I also found that I was getting sick less often. Plus, there's just something about the smell of garlic that makes everything taste better, right? To wrap things up, we covered 5 amazing winter foods that can really help boost your immune system: citrus fruits, garlic, ginger, spinach, and yogurt. Each of these foods brings unique benefits to the table, making it easier to stay healthy during the colder months. So, let's make a point to include these in our diets. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite winter food that helps keep you healthy? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to check out my other video on healthy eating tips for more ways to stay fit this winter. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy out there.